stop scrolling right now. If you are graduating in 2026, then don't skip this video because this might be a chance to change your career forever. Yes, you heard that right. Myntra, India's biggest fashion tech giant, has just opened registrations for RampUp SDE Internship 2025, and they are offering rupees 70,000 per month and a direct path to full-time job role through PPO. And imagine this, for 6 months you are going to work on real-world projects and you are going to learn directly from top engineers, and you will walk away through a full-time job role even before you graduate. In today's video, I am going to break down everything you need to know about this internship, from how to register, the eligibility criteria, the selection process, and even I will tell you the exact coding topics you must prepare. Even I will tell you some pro tips that can literally double your chance of getting shortlisted. And trust me, if you stay with me till the end of this video, you will walk away through a complete game plan to secure this internship. So make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to Beyond Tech and share this video with your friends, and let's dive in. Before we jump into the dates and process, let's talk about why this internship is so special. Myntra is not just an e-commerce company, it's a fashion tech powerhouse. Their engineering teams builds everything from massive scale web apps, AI-driven fashion recommendation to supply chain optimization systems. And here's what makes this internship stand out. Firstly, they are offering high stipend of rupees 70,000 per month, and you are going to work directly on live projects impacting millions of customers. And you will get an opportunity to bag a PPO, no more worrying about final placements later. You will get a chance to work in one of the India's most dynamic tech teams, and honestly, opportunities like this don't come often. So if you are serious about your career in software engineering, then you cannot afford to miss this. Now let's talk about the eligibility criteria. To apply this, you must be a BE or BTech student graduating in 2026 from computer science, AI or IT, or any computer science related field, and you should have basic knowledge of any programming language like Python, Java, C++ or JavaScript, and you should have strong understanding on data structures, algorithms, and object-oriented programming. You will get bonus if you have used Git or Agile or Scrum methodologies. This means if you have been coding and preparing for placements, you have already on the right way. And now let's talk about the registration and the screening process. The step 1 is registration. You need to register before the 17th September 2025 and fill out the form carefully. Accuracy matters here, especially for your resume and details. And after registrations, Myntra will screen candidates based on their profiles. And the pro tip is, mention any projects you have done, especially in web development, backend, or machine learning, and showcase internships, hackathons, and open source contributions. This will help you stand out from the crowd and keep your resume clean and concise. And only shortlisted candidates will move to the next stage, which is the coding colosseum round. The stage 2 is where the real challenge begins, the coding colosseum. This round happens on 20 September 2025 and it has two sections. Firstly, it has 15 MCQs in 15 minutes, and the topics will be include DSA basics, complexity analysis, OOPS, and fundamentals like SQL or DBMS. And the time is tight, so practice fast decision making. And in section 2, you will get two coding questions and you have 45 minutes time, and these will test problem solving and algorithm skills. And you should expect questions from arrays, strings, dynamic programming, graphs, and recursion. And let me tell you some pro tips to crack this round. Practice on platforms like LeetCode, Coforces, and HackerRank, and focus on medium level questions. Don't waste time on extremely hard ones, and revise common patterns like sliding window, two pointers technique, and binary search. And let me tell you about the final showdown, the functional interviews. After cracking the coding round, you will move to the stage 3. It's the functional interviews. This is where Myntra evaluates if you are ready for the real world. These interviews will focus on deep DSA concept and coding questions. They are going to ask you on system design fundamentals. For beginners, they are going to test you by asking behavioral questions like teamwork, conflict resolution, and past experiences. And they are also test you on how you approach problem solving, not just your final answer. And as I told you at the beginning, I'm going to give you some interview preparation tips that can stand out from the crowd. Firstly, revise core DSA topics thoroughly and practice explaining your thought process clearly, and be ready with examples of projects or past work. And stay calm and confident even if you get stuck. And here's the exciting part. top performers in the internship won't just get the certification, they will also consider for a pre-placement offer. That means by mid 2026, while others are still applying for jobs, you will already have an offer letter in your hand from Myntra. This is huge because it saves you from placement stress and lets you focus on learning and growth. And here's my final advice, stop preparing now and don't wait till the last week. Focus on DSA and problem solving speed and build a strong resume and highlight relevant skills. You must practice mock interviews with friends or online platforms. And remember, opportunities like this don't come often. With the right preparation, you can stand out from the crowd and secure this life-changing opportunity. After watching this video, make sure you apply for this opportunity. The link for the application is in the description. Go and check it out. And here's something super important for you. Go and check out my channel Beyond BTech, where I have uploaded some of the latest internship, hackathons or job roles for all the BTech students across India. So if you are new to here, make sure you go through every video and apply to the every opportunity you eligible. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to Beyond BTech and share this video with your friends. And until then, keep learning and keep going. This is Sai signing off.